Eigum við þá ekki að fá að hlusta á siguratriði tónkvíslarinnar 2018?
Jú, það líst mér vera á. Sigurvegari tónkvíslarinnar 2018, Kristjana Freydís, gjörið þið svo vel.
Slower dancing with a bleach blonde tramp, and she's probably getting frisky. Right now, he's probably buying her some fruity little drink, cause he can't shoot a whiskey. Right now, he's probably up behind her with a pool stick, showing her how to shoot a combo. And he don't know sing a song, white trash version of Shania karaoke. Right now, she's probably saying I'm drunk, and he's thinking that he's gonna get lucky. Right now, he's probably napping on $3 worth of that bathroom cologne. Oh, and he don't know that I dug my key to the side of his pretty little souped up four-wheel drive. Before he